What's up guys, David here from Dignited, and today I'll be showing you guys how to set up RCS or Google Chat on your Android phones. Now, RCS or Rich Communication Service has been a very long time coming. RCS is supposed to put SMS out of action with a more modern and rich text messaging service akin to what you get from WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, KakaoTalk, and WeChat. Now, what exactly is RCS? Well, RCS, also known as Google Chat, is a GSM and Google-backed messaging service that should work between carriers or networks. RCS is designed to replace SMS and MMS with modern chat features such as read receipts and live typing indicators. Now, the rollout of RCS has been extremely slow, mostly because it was supposed to be done by the networks or carriers in coordination with smartphone vendors. However, this has not gone as planned. So, Google has decided to go it alone, and as of November 2020, which is this month, RCS is now available to all Android phones through the Messages app by Google. In this way, it's going to be more like Apple's iMessages rather than a revamp of SMS or MMS. Now, to get started with RCS or Google Chat for that matter, be sure to download the Google Messages app by Google. If you're running stock Android on phones like Nokia or Xiaomi Mi A2 or A23, the Infinix Note 3, then chances are that you already have it. All you have to do is simply enable it. Cool. Now, with me here is Techno Spark 4. It's my secondary phone that I'll be using to show you guys how to set up and enable RCS or Google Messages. So let's dive right into it. I already have the Google Messages app downloaded on my phone, which is right here. So go to your settings there, go to general there. Now you guys will see chat features here, so go to chat features and then simply click on enable chat features. Yes, there's some legalese that if you're interested you can read through. Say yes, I'm in. Now what it's going to do is that it's going to verify your phone number, so go ahead and type in your phone number, which is what I'm going to be doing right now. Cool. Now it should do a quick verification of your phone number, I guess by sending an SMS, OTP, and so forth. So let's just wait for, now you'll be able to see here that the status is connected through my phone number, and voila, that's how the chat feature is enabled, or RCS if you want. Cool. Now, to be able to use this feature, you'll have to have your friend and family enable it on their phones as well. Otherwise, it won't work. Or you'll have to send text through the conventional SMS channel. So I already have RCS set up on another phone. So let's just go ahead and send a text message. So cool. So you will see here that it's written on chat, and that is an indication that the SMSs are going to go through the Google Chat feature, or they're going to be sent through either your Wi-Fi connection or cellular data, and therefore your airtime won't be used up. So let's just see. Yeah. Now you will realize that when it's written on text, then the SIM card that you're sending through, it means that it's sending through SMS. So what you'll have to do is, if you have a dual SIM phone, is to switch to that number that has chat enabled. For this case, it is the MTN line, so I'm just going to switch back, and then you will realize that now it's changed from text to chat, meaning that now I'm able to chat using RCS here. So let's send that message again. Cool. And now you can see it's come. It's not using my data at all. So just like that, again, just make sure that it's the number that has chat enabled, and you are able to send messages without using your data. So here is a caveat for people that are using dual SIM phones like myself. To make sure that chat works flawlessly, you will have to ensure that data and text is sent through the same SIM card. So let me just go to networks here and show you guys SIM cards. And you can see that mobile data is through MTN, calls through MTN, text messages through MTN. That way chat will be able to work flawlessly. But if you have, for example, calls set to a different line or set to ask every time, then the chat will not be able to work. So I had this problem and I had to figure that out. Right, I don't know why. Hopefully Google should be able to fix this issue as soon as possible. And again, just a reminder that make sure that you see chat that's being prefixed in the placeholder there. In that way, you know that RCS or Google Chat is enabled and you are able to send messages for free through either your cellular data plan or Wi-Fi network. In this case, I'm on Wi-Fi actually. And let's just see some of the features here. I think you are able to, like, I guess, send messages. That's correct. Yeah, you are able to, obviously, emojis are definitely supported as well. Oh, last SMS cost 90. I guess that was from the previous thing. Yeah, you can send voice notes. Yeah. Hey there, I'm just testing out Google Chat or RCS on my Android phone. I'll send. Hey there, I'm just testing out Google Chat or RCS on my Android phone. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, so this has been a demo of Google Chat or RCS on Android. Finally, Android in 2020 has an iMessages equivalent. So if you're on iPhone or iOS, you no longer have an excuse to switch. It's available to almost every Android phone globally. So see you guys in the next one.